Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make your text glow in Canva. A simple trick that adds a vibrant, eye-catching effect to your designs. First, open your Canva project and click on the text you want to edit. Once it's selected, look at the top menu and click on Effects. From the available options, choose Neon. And instantly your text will get that glowing look. Now let's customize it. Click on the text color icon near the effects button to change the glow color. You can pick from Canvas palette or enter your own color code to perfectly match your design theme. Next, go back to the effects panel and use the intensity slider under the neon option to adjust how strong or soft you want the glow to appear. Slide it up for a bright, bold look or tone it down for a subtle shimmer. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've created stunning glowing text that's perfect for social posts, posters or digital art. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva design tips.